Hey guys, welcome to Kryptonic, Risky 20s, the early 30s. So in this video, we'll be talking about what EPNS is doing and their mainnet launching very soon. So let's get into the video. Let's know what EPNS is actually. EPNS is Ethereum push notification service that runs on Ethereum blockchain. Actually, we must have noticed this thing where we just don't get any notification of trade execution or loan liquidation in any of the decentralized apps like Uniswap, Aave, and so on. So the problem that we had was we didn't get any notification service because all the decentralized apps usually don't get us KYC for them, and so it's difficult for them to find it's difficult for them to just notify you through the notification wallet addresses. So the EPNS developed a robust technology that will enable the apps like Uniswap or Aave to just use their service to just send notifications to the wallet addresses directly using their Alpha DApp EPNS. So this is basically the services because EPNS is trying to just fit the missing piece of the Web3. Web2 has been mostly the companies have been using this notification system, push notification systems to attract so many customers. Like in fact, app companies like Swiggy would have taken most of the advantage of push notifications by sending them real-time like notifications that attracts users to buy food on their application. So that's how those companies actually interacted with the users. So in fact, that was missing with the Web3 because of this non KYC things that's happening in the decentralized world. And now that EPNS will just bridge the gap between the user and the DApp, so the user experience should just become good. So what exactly does EPNS accomplish, and why does the EPNS is required in the Web3? So basically, we all know that notifications have become a vital part of us using the mobile phones, and major businesses interact with the users using this push notification systems like commerce businesses like Amazon, Flipkart just attract the users and do the marketing to the push notification system. So basically that's the thing why push notification has become an integral part of mobile phone users. And now that the Web3 has so many apps, like Ethereum has almost like 4,000 decentralized applications, even though we don't know much about that because Indians are late adopters sometimes. So after the Web3 has brought over like 60% of the people online. So Web3 is going to just distribute the power to the people, so that people is just going to own everything that they can possibly create. For example, if they create content, and no one is going to be the middleman for them monetizing their own content. So Web3 has so many advantages over the Web2. Okay. So when is the mainnet of EPNS? That's happening on January 11, 2022, and it was long awaited thing because I have been into their Telegram groups, and this is the long waited milestone for the EPNS team. And EPNS has been the best project for the 2021 because of the collaborations they had in the 2021. I've seen them because I've seen like 6 to 7 international exchanges listing their token push in just a matter of 10 or 15 days. That's insane to me. That's a no-brainer for me. So the also what I found to be very good in EPNS is that they're just around the community. So some applications don't mostly care about the community, but then EPNS is totally community oriented. So that's what I found actually staying with them or in their groups. And I used to get so many competitions, like so many bounties, so that the users or community can just get benefit out of it. Quick tip. So actually EPN is also running a Rockstar program which supports the creators or early supporters of EPNS platform, and they have been rewarding the active supporters or people who just contribute to the development of EPNS. and it's been running for 2020. I think it should be starting from April of 2020 and runs through the 2022 2022 April, I guess. It runs for 52 weeks, so 2021 April to 2022 April. And what it is actually is, uh, one of the active member will be selected through governance voting, and he will be rewarded 2,400 push tokens and plus a one exclusive Indian NFT. So one push tokens is worth around 160 to 170 rupees as of today when I'm recording this video. So that's really huge money. They just want to support the creators, supporters that support the EPNS actually. So it's very community oriented. And the second thing which I want to say is here is we users, by just subscribing to the notifications that we want to receive from the dApps that which is essential for us, we get incentivized to just do this action, just subscribing to the channel. If I'm going to subscribe to a channel that sends me the loan liquidation alerts or something like that, and from let's say Aave, I'm going to earn a fraction of rewards due to the incentive mechanism this written by the PNS team. So basically the users are also going to get incentivized in tokens. So that's a very good point. Let's actually also know about the push tokenomics and the current price of push token, the governance token of Ethereum, I mean EPNS service. So it's valued at $2.2 in 19 cents as of today when I'm recording. It's already up 30% in a day actually. So it has a total market cap of shy of $30 million and a fully diluted market cap of around $220 million, and the volume is $7.1 million, and the total circulating supply is 100 million, and out of which is 53% goes to community during the various time periods, like staking and some of the bounties and some of the rockstar events and so many events. And 53%, that's 53 million push tokens will be just rewarded to the community during the various timeline of the project. And the current circulating supply of push tokens is around 13,320,000 push tokens. So yeah, it's an Ethereum based token, and you can just purchase it in plenty of exchanges like WazirX, CoinDCX, and BitBNS, KuCoin. There are a ton of exchanges that have listed them. I think in the last 3 or 4 months hardly. You can just buy it in Huobi, Gate.io, MAXE, ZPay, CoinDCX, and BitBNX, and literally every top exchange has listed this token, and you might want to check it out. I'll just drop the links to the exchanges and some of the important articles referring to the some of the blogs writing about how to use EPNS or how to take part in the Rockstar program and things like that. So until then, I'll see you in the next video.